So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Adani Power share. So previously, when we have discussed about Adani Power, we have seen the complete Q4 result and also we have done the technical analysis. So clearly, I told to focus the 95 rupees level and I told if you're getting any chance, invest only in small portions. But the stock is only consolidating. It is not showing any volatile move. Especially, it is not able to cross the 98-99 rupees region. And after that, we know 100, which is the crucial resistance. So if it crosses that, then only we can expect some further rally. So today we'll clarify all the doubts. We'll do again the updated technical analysis and we'll see what are the major supports and resistances. So in Telegram, I'm updating all the technical charts on time basis, not only Adani Power, whether any stock, whenever it is approaching any resistive region, I'm trying to update that so that you can take all the necessary action. So do join the Telegram group, and if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so do subscribe it and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so coming to today's trading session, you can see how many shares have been traded and how many shares have taken to deliverables. You can see 64 lakh shares have been traded and you can see 36 lakh shares have been taken into deliverables, and percentage you can see 56 is the delivery percentage, which is very good. So accumulation is happening on regular basis, but it is not giving any breakout. Market is also in good move. Today we have seen Nifty has also showed very good positive movement, but Adani Power, as we know earlier, it used to be very volatile. It used to give 4%, 5% move. Either if it corrects, it used to give some very good correction, but nowadays it is completely flat, either 1%, 2%. So in that particular range, it is trading. So it is obvious whenever any stock which has showed some huge momentum, so it halts for a certain period of time. So little consolidation happens. So that is what we are seeing even in Adani Power. But deliverables are increasing, so you need to focus that. So once the deliveries are increasing and it is consolidating, so you need to expect that at any point of time any big move may be seen in this particular stock. So you need to be ready. So let's discuss the levels. So now let us compare once on day-to-day wise how the fluctuations are present, and then we'll move on to the technical charts. Okay, so if we compare day-to-day wise delivery, so previously also we have seen 51.6% delivery. So you can see constant deliveries are present. So they are not at all decreasing, and movement also you can see, as I told, it is completely flat. So neither huge positive movement, in the same way neither a huge downfall. So that is what is called consolidation, and deliveries are increasing. So focus on these things, try to analyze. So you can get this particular data in Stock Edge app. So if you have not installed that, do install so that you can also monitor day-to-day wise how the fluctuations are happening. So quickly, let's go to technical charts. We'll see what is the support and resistive region. Okay, so we're back onto technical charts, and you can see this is the one-day chart, and you can see the stock has showed almost today 1.30% positive movement, and you can see it has closed near the 97 rupees region. So when you see technical charts, I've put pivot points also to simplify the technical analysis, and you can see where the pivot support is coming around the 93.13 rupees region. So that is going to be a very good support for the stock in near term. And coming to resistances wise, so first resistance, as I told, it is 100 rupees. So that particular level is going to be very crucial. So once it crosses that, again the stock may become volatile and it may show some big move. So you need to keep these particular levels into radar and you need to focus. Okay, and if you go a little bit down and if you see money flow index, already it has settled a lot. You can see earlier it was in mid-range and now it has come to 72 region. So that is also pointing towards overbought region. It has not entered that, but in the coming sessions, if stock becomes volatile, so then that also may enter into overbought region. So you need to focus all these levels, so especially the 93 rupees region followed by 95. So these are going to be very important. And after that, resistance is 100 rupees. Okay, so focus near these, and you can see after 100 rupees we have 102 rupees region. So that is going to be the second resistance from where the stock earlier has faced little resistance, and after that 104. So that is the ultimate resistance, that is pivot resistance. You can see clearly it is visible. So closing is very important, so not touching the level. So I'm not telling that it should touch 100 and again it should you can't say target has been hit. So closing above that, and after that with good volume, the stock should continue. So then only we can expect it will start its new journey. Okay, so focus on these things, and further if you're having any doubt, you can message me in the comment section, and also connect with me in Instagram, clarify your doubts. So whatever the stocks we have discussed in previous sessions, all are performing very well. So try to watch them. Screener also, do paper trading, and definitely you will be benefited. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.